Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Teams AI for meeting recap and work items, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft Teams AI for meeting recap and work items, begin by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Sign in with your organizational account if prompted. Navigate to the specific team where the meeting took place. Locate the channel associated with the meeting. Click on the Meetings tab in the channel. Find the meeting for which you want to verify the recap. Select the meeting to open its details. Look for the Meeting Recap section, usually located near the top. Ensure the recap has been generated by AI. Review the generated recap for accuracy and completeness. If the recap is missing or incomplete, refresh your Teams application. Return to the meeting details and check again. Next, scroll to the Tasks or Work Items section within the meeting details. Verify that your assigned tasks are listed correctly. If tasks are missing, check the meeting notes for context. Collaborate with your team to clarify any discrepancies. Once everything appears accurate, you can move on to completing your assigned tasks. For future meetings, check the settings to confirm AI meeting recaps are enabled. Make sure the feature is activated across your organization for optimal use. Familiarize yourself with the AI capabilities to enhance your meeting productivity. With this verification process complete, you are ready to utilize the meeting recaps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.